to another craft demo with the Polk County Public Libraries. My name is Amelia Hill and I am excited to show you our take and make craft for this week. It's geared towards kids and we will be making sidewalk chalk paint. So this is a fun activity to do at home and it'll make your neighborhood nice and pretty. So with me I have some ingredients. I've got cornstarch. I have a cup that has 3 tablespoons of water in it. I have a tablespoon. I have a spoon that's just a regular one that I can stir my mixture with. I have a paintbrush, although I won't need that until I take my sidewalk chalk outside to paint on the sidewalk. And then I also have various colors of food coloring. So inside your take and make kit, if you picked one up at the library, it has all of the ingredients, the cornstarch, the food coloring, and the directions for this activity. These are free and you can pick one up at the library to follow along with this demo. If not, you can use the ingredients that you have at home. All right, so I've got my water already pre-measured in this cup. And I'm going to measure out 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So, that 1 and 2. And I'm also going to put my food coloring in here. Now the food coloring that comes in the take and make kits are already pre-measured to the right number of drops, but what I'm doing today, I'll have to count my drops out. So I'm going to put 10 drops of food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1 more for good luck, because why not? All right. And then I'm going to use my spoon to stir the cornstarch and water together. When I do that, it makes like a pasty mixture, and I've got it all stirred up. But it looks like paint because remember it's sidewalk chalk paint. So this is the consistency I have. Okay, and when I'm ready, I can go outside with my sidewalk chalk paint, use a paintbrush, and paint on the pavement just like you would a canvas. So have fun and stay safe.